competition. First prize goes to Shiva Rahul. Second prize goes to Deva. Third prize goes to Bobby Lijo. Next prize is for UKG. For fancy dress competition, first prize goes to Stefania Emima. Second prize goes to Smiling Danvi. Third prize goes to Jana Shia. For Tirukural, first prize goes to Sri Ritvik. Second prize goes to Hirojin Johit. Third prize goes to Isha Manir. For storytelling, first prize goes to Puvis Benjamin Jishu. Second prize goes to Roshisha. Third prize goes to Avantika. For Tamil rhymes, first prize goes to Subiksha. Second prize goes to Agnes Frida. Third prize goes to Sri Shant. For English rhymes, first prize goes to Janashia. Second prize goes to Harini. And third prize goes for Vedika. For coloring, first prize goes to Jaishan Gabriel. Second prize goes to Alaric Van. Third prize goes to Abhi Akshaya. For Tamil handwriting, first prize goes to Stefania. Second prize goes to Smiling Zanvi. Third prize goes to Jessilina. For English handwriting, first prize goes to Manush Shai. Second prize goes to Ratish. Third prize goes to Harini. For group song, Hirojin Johit, Smiling Danvi, Agnes Frida, Joshli Nara, Ramkrishna. And second prize, Rishwin, Sri Shant, Abhi Akshaya, Pranesh. Sri Balalakshita, Prithvika Tejashri. For group song 3, Rashik Matthew, Iman Dev Matthew, Devin Matthew, Mahalakshmi. Sports prizes. Running race for girls, first prize goes to Abhi Akshaya. Second prize goes to Agnes Frida. Third prize goes to Smiling Janvi. Running race for boys, first prize goes to Iman. Second prize goes to Puvis Benjamin. Third prize goes to Rishwin. Rabbit race for girls, first prize goes to Isha Manvi. Second prize goes to Harini. Third prize goes to Subiksha. Frog race for boys, first prize Sri Ritvik. Second prize Sri Shan. Third prize Praveen. Shikpiya gathering for boys, first prize goes to Ran. Second prize goes to Manesh. Third prize goes to Kayash. For potato gathering for girls, first prize goes to Jessilina. Second prize goes to Joshli Nara. Third prize goes to Prithvika Tejashri.
Now I read the names of the children from class 1. For drawing, first prize goes to Damaru Shri. Second goes to Rowan Benedict. Third goes to Abhishek. For essay writing Tamil, first goes to Sojan Daivik. Second goes to Divinesh. And third goes to Joshiana Dan Emelda. For essay writing English, first goes to Sojan Daivik. Second prize goes to Maxwell. And third prize goes to Divinesh. For poem recitation, first prize goes to Ashifa Meetu. Second prize goes to Mirthun J. And third prize goes to Rowan Benedict. For handwriting Tamil, first prize goes to Betslyn Joanna. Second prize goes to Jocelyn Riona. And third prize goes to Kevin. For handwriting English, first prize goes to Betslyn Joanna. Second prize goes to Arshalin. And third prize goes to Rakshan. For poetry writing, first prize goes to Austin David Rennie. Second prize goes to Shelmia Messi. Third prize goes to Maxwell. For jam talk, first prize goes to Ashifa Meetu. Second prize goes to Mutra. And third prize goes to Dhanashri. In spelling bee, first prize goes to Mutra. Second prize goes to Abner Sean Noah. And third prize goes to Austin David Rennie. For Tirukural, first prize goes to Shabin, Abner Sean Noah. Second prize goes to Sahana and third prize goes to Adidev. For group song, first prize goes to Ashifa Mitu, Mitra, Divinesh, Adidev, Maxwell, Sahana, Shelmia Mishi, Parvin and Damaru Shri. Group song, second prize goes to Arshulin, Dhanashri, Jashni, Abhinav Karthik, Abner Shan, Noah, Mithun, MD, Rakshan, Kevin and Sashit Karan. Group song, third prize goes to Joshiana Dan Emelda, Jaslyn Riona, Abhishek, Austin David Rennie, Shaban, Sojan Daivik, Rowan Benedict, Mirdun J and Gokul Varshan. For sports, running for boys, first prize goes to Gokul Varshan, second prize goes to Shaban and third prize goes to MD Mithun. Running for girls, first prize goes to Ashifa Mitu, second prize goes to Shelmia Meshi and third prize goes to Arshlin. For bottle filling for girls, first prize goes to Jaslyn Riona, second prize goes to Jashni and third prize goes to Shelmia Meshi. Now I call upon the third standard students, Tamil essay writing, first prize Gabby, Zain Rifan, Kavish. English essay writing, Shan Karthik, Aaron, Jeron Blesson. Poetry recitation, Sobia, Bhavana, Shervin Dino. Tamil handwriting, Sobia, Bhuvanesh, Subikshan. English handwriting, Gabby, Samuel Sam, Jiolan Sahayanto. Poetry writing, Sri Dano, Jaffi Emmanuel, Sri Darshika. Jam talk, Mihavel Yosepu, Darshan Raj, Ashwath. Spelling bee, Jerbin, Barnika, Amlin. Tirukural, Karen Manoj, Mihavel and Jerbin. Group song, Amlin, Barnika, Bhavana, Karen, Gabby, Sobia, Sri Darshika, Mihavel Yosepu, Jiolin Sahayanto, Ashwath, Jaffi, Shervin Dino, Bhuvanesh, Jermin, Zain, Rifan, Sri Dano, Darshan Raj, Aaron, Sam, Kavish, Shan Karthik, Jeron Blesson and Subikshan. Sports prizes, running boys, Jiolin and Sahayanto, Darshan Raj, Jerbin. Running girls, Karen Manoj, Gabby, Barnika. Ball walk boys, Samuel, Bhuvanesh and Kavish. Needle and thread girls, Amblin, Danshika, Sobia and Darshika. Kangaroo race boys, Jaffi, Ashwath and Aaron. Ball passing girls, Bhavana, Amblin and Karen Manoj. Fourth standard, essay writing English, Elsie Deborah, Brakshita and Ria. Poetry recitation, Brakshita, Daniel Raj, Asher. Handwriting Tamil, Sherlin Disha, Ria Agnes and Hajara. Handwriting English, Elsie Deborah, Advik, Priyant Selvin. Poetry writing, Sanusha Shri, Priyant Selvin, Ashim Fiona. Jam talk, Elsie Deborah, Ashim Fiona, Asher. Spelling bee, Kabiniga Shri, Elsie Deborah, Brakshita. Tirukural, Hajara, Daniel Raj and Sherlin Disha. Drawing, Subiksh Kumar, Joel Krisen and Abhinav. Sports prizes, running boys, Advik, Asher and Daniel Raj. Running girls, Hajara, Kabiniga and Sanusha. Balancing cone girls, Lakshita Rock, Subiksha, Elsie Deborah. Cone jump boys, Dishan, Asher and Arif Hanan. Group song, Jignesh, Joel Godwin, Steve Sam, Sudarshan, Adarsh, Asher Matthew and Asher. Subiksha, Sherlin Disha, Sanusha. Hajara, Ria, Brakshita, Lakshita Rock and Ria. Daniel Raj, Priyant Selvin, Dishan, Subish Kumar, Joel Krisen, Arif, Advik and Abhinav. Lakshmina. Prize for Standard 5. Tirukural, Madhivadani, Sharon Shaini, Selva Harish. Spelling bee, Hannah, Suhesh, Abhishek. Jam talk, Godwin, Karthigeyan, Dyson Maulik. Poetry writing, Lakshana, Sherin, Alka and Calvin. Poetry recitation, Madhivadani, Rakshita and Sharon Shaini. Tamil handwriting, Madhivadani, Harivarshan and Arshia. English handwriting, Suhesh, Yesudas and Akshan. Essay writing Tamil, Sri Danya, Anisijan Sham and Tiffany. Essay writing English, Sherin Alka, Hari Varshan and Dyson Maulik. For drawing, Infanta, Janet Godson. Group song, Akshanabel, Benixia, Abhishek, Anisijan, Arshia, Sherin, Danny. Lakshana, Dyson Maulik, Infanta, Ashwajit, Stabanish Godwin Joe, Hari Varshan Godson. Suhant, Suhish, Janet, Yemina, Tiffany, Hannah and Nityashri. Sports prizes, skipping race for girls, Rakshita, Benixia, Lakshana. Cone jump boys, Danny, Steve, Janet, Harivarshan. Balancing cone girls, Benixia, Emina, Lakshana. Kicking the ball boys, Suhan, Danny, Steve, Janet. Running race boys, Ashwajit, Suhan, Godson. Running race girls, Infanta, Rakshita, Benixia. Prize list for class 6. Jump. Prize list for standard 6. Jam Talk, Abhishek Gabriel, Medlin, Jershia, Jessina. Spelling bee, Gino Prince, Joylin, Advai. Tirukural, Hasini, Abhishek Gabriel, Danshika. Poetry writing, Maxden, Manish, Elja. Essay writing, Tamil, Shayan, Joylin and Hasini. Essay writing English, Jessina, Evelyn, Veronica and Stefania, Alia. Poetry recitation, Medlin, Jershia, Sajju Samuel and Maxden. Handwriting English, Krishik, Gino Prince and Sajju Samuel. Handwriting Tamil, Jeffin Sharon, Hasini and Shayan. Drawing Danshika, Princeton Samuel, Elja. Group song, Hasini, Danshika, Medlin, Jershia, Evelyn, Veronica, Joylin, Stefani, Alia. Advai, Gino Prince, Abhishek Gabriel, Manish, Elja, Anto Delitrin, Shayan, Krishik. Sajju Samuel, Jeffin Sharon, Kalishwar, Vetrivel, Princeton Samuel, Sean Braden. And for sports, shot put boys, Krishik, Anto Delitrin, Gino Prince. Discus boys, Jeffin Sharon, Krishik, Abhishek. Tunnel ball boys, Abhishek Gabriel, Vetrivel, Krishik, Maxden, Elja, Shayan Braden, Shayan. Runners, Manish, Kalishwar, Gino Prince, Jeffin Sharon, Advai, Anto Deltrin, Princeton Samuel and Sajju Samuel. Shot put girls, Stephanie Alia, Medlin, Jershia and Joylin. Discus girls, Joylin, Hasini and Tanshika. Tennis girls, winners, Medlin, Jershia, Tanshika and Jessina. Runners, Hasini, Stephanie Alia and Joylin and Evelyn Veronica. Prize list for standard 7. Drawing Ashim Hanana, Kishore Dashwini. Essay writing English, Roshan Matthew, Sanjay, Praisi Sharon. Essay writing Tamil, Ahin, Abilan and Aldrin. Handwriting Tamil, Joanna, Akshaya and Satyadarshini. Handwriting English, Bernice, Ahin and Ansel. Poetry writing, Subiksha, Kezia Judith, Daryl Samuel. Jam Talk, Adeline Danshika, Winchley and Rutresh. Spelling bee, Madhushri, Roshan Matthew, Kishore. Tirukural, Satyadarshini. Group song, Mahi, Ansel, Rutresh. Madhushri, Bernice, Dashwini. Sports prizes, shot put boys, Mahi, Roshan, Sanjay. Girls, Madhu, Akshaya, Ashim, Hanana. Discus boys, Sean, Chris, Logan and Sanjay. Girls, Joanna, Akshaya and Kezia. Coco for boys, winners, Kishore, Subarashri, Sanjay, Ansel. Mahi and Aldrin. Runners, Sean, Ahin, Daryl, Rutresh, Abhinesh and Abilan. Coco girls, winners, Joanna, Winchley, Bernice, Ashim, Subiksha, Kesia, Madhushri. Runners, Dashwini, Akshaya, Adeline, Priscilla, Fairlin and Praisi. Volleyball for boys. Winners, Sanjay, Kishore, Mahi, Daryl, Ansel, Sean. Runners, Abilan, Aldrin, Abhinesh, Rutresh, Roshan and Ahin. Throwball for girls, Madhushri, Ashim, Satya, Praisi, Akshaya, Joanna. Subiksha, Dashwini, Winchley and Kesia. Prize list for standard 8. Tirukural, Maha, Niveda. Tamil essay writing, Monica, Akshay Calvin, Rudileya. English essay writing, Praises Rock, Devina, Jeffrin. Spelling bee, Balan, Aldrin, Jerome, Edwin Daniel. Drawing, Bensia, Siddharth, Sabarishwaran. Poetry recitation, Maha, Davina, Edwin. Jam Talk, Edwin Daniel Bershia Sri Bala. Tamil handwriting Aishwarya Bershia Suhin. அவங்க தானே English handwriting Senora Pretty, Shrudileya, Franny Flora. Group song Niveda, Senora Pretty, Maha, Evelyn, Sri Bala, Pushpa Suganti, Donisha, Aishwarya, Jenika, Ashlyn, Linisha, Emima Suhit, Praises Rock, Davina, Franny Flora, Rija, Edwin, Nageshwaran, Suhin, Aldrin, Kevin, Agil, Jasper, Sharon Bugs. Sport prizes, shot put boys, Suhin, Edwin Daniel, Akil. Shot put girls, Benicia, Emima, Rija. Discus boys, Akshay Calvin, Nageshwaran and Suhin. Discus girls, Sri Bala, Shrudileya and Maha. Coco boys, winners, Edwin, Akshay, Aldrin, Jerin, Sharon, Abhishek, Jasper. Runners, Balan, Akil, Derin, Sabarish, Siddharth, Suhin, Ashwin. Coco for girls, winners, Senora Pretty, Aishwarya, Jenika, Davina, Sri Bala, Andrea, Franny, Janani, Niveda, Anslin. Runners, Maha, Monica, Shrudileya, Blessy, Rija, Nartiga, Bershia, Selita, Emima, Evelyn. Volleyball for boys. Winners, Jasper, Nagesh, Jerin, Sharon, Akshay, Abhishek. Runners, Bala, Kevin, Derin, Suhin, Akil and Jeffrin. Throwball girls. Maha, Shrudileya, Praises, Nattiga, Blessy, Monica. Runners, Bala, Senora, Anselin, Devina, Niveda, Janani and Franny. Prizes for 9th standard, Ashlyn Tracy, Isaac Emmanuel Benisha for drawing, Satya Priya, Sifana and Angel for essay writing Tamil, Sri Krishna, Prajut, Jeffrin for essay writing English, poetry recitation Pravisha and Jaba, handwriting Tamil, Nehemia, Anshika and Sharunga, handwriting English, Jeffriya, Anushka and Adlin, poetry writing Akshaya, Pravishka and Gladbin, Jam Talk, Shivani, Emmy, Monica Rose, spelling bee, Aldo Stains, Ashlyn Libin, Prime. Group song, Emmy, Kanika, Ashika, Jeba, Ashlyn, Sheba, Ashlyn, Tracy. Akshaya, Angel, Monica Rose, Shifana, Jebia, Anushka. Tirukural, Satyapriya, Kanika, Ashika. Sports. Jeevan Ji, Subin, Sri Krishna, Shantanu, Muhammad Shafi, Prajut, Adrian and Naveen. Aldo Stains, Nikshit Menon, Prince, Ashwin, Jeffrin, Isaac, Sergin and Janet. Coco Girls, Jeffriya, Kanika, Shifana, Angel, Jaba, Amy, Ashlyn, Pravishka, Gladbin and Anushka.